This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito casserole. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, 8 to 10 flour tortillas, and plenty of cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, brown your ground beef or turkey in a large skillet, draining any excess fat. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious and easy meal. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Begin by spreading about 1/2 cup of your favorite enchilada or burrito sauce in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, arrange 4 flour tortillas over the sauce, overlapping them slightly to cover the bottom. Then, spoon half of your seasoned ground meat, 1 can of drained black beans, and 1 cup of shredded cheese over the tortillas. For the second layer, repeat the process. Place the remaining 4 to 6 tortillas over the first layer of meat and beans. Then, add the rest of your seasoned ground meat and any remaining beans. Finally, pour the remaining 1/2 cup of sauce evenly over the top and generously sprinkle with 2 cups of shredded cheese. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until it's bubbly and golden brown. Once your burrito casserole is out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the layers to set, making it easier to serve. Garnish with your favorite toppings like fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some diced avocado. This hearty casserole provides 6 to 8 generous servings, perfect for family dinner or entertaining friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.